Hey guys. Wanted to do something a bit different, something that I'm not used to doing at all, something out of my comfort zone. Recently had some drama in my life that pretty much everyone is aware of. I don't really want it to stay like that, so I'm gonna sing a song. um, this house has got some pretty awesome vaulted ceilings for sound. You can play music anywhere in here and it sounds amazing. So, ugh, my hair is everywhere. I haven't washed it in a while. It's been a rough couple days. So I'm gonna sing a song. I heard it for the first time years ago. I don't even know who the original singer of it was. It's actually a country song, which is pretty out of character for me too. It's called Four Strong Winds, by some dude. Sorry, I didn't do my research. I know the song well, but I actually don't know the original singer. Hey, Beaker. Hello. Okay. This is really out of character for me and out of my bubble, but if something doesn't change, then nothing changes. So. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. Oh, those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for. Still, I'd hope you'd change your mind if I'd asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times before. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. Oh, those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are going good, you could meet me if I sent you out the fair. But by then it will be winter. There ain't too much for you to do. And those winds, they sure can blow cold out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. Oh, those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way.